Local businesses are paying for Google Maps ads when the answer is sitting in 6 free competitor listings that already know what Google wants. NotebookLM can read those listings and hand you the answer in under 20 minutes. It's a Google-built research tool, and it does something no paid ranking platform has ever managed to offer properly. Before this video wraps, I'm saving something specific for the end. The query structure inside NotebookLM that surfaces the one signal category most ranking audits miss completely. That piece has moved more listings than anything else in this workflow. Stick around for it. Paul James here. This channel is about using free AI tools to do real service work for real local businesses. No subscription overhead, just leverage. If you're new, welcome. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Google Maps rankings might be the cleanest local service you can sell right now. Go High Level gets pushed as the platform to deliver it, $297 a month. And there's a whole industry of tools built around this service. Most of them charge you to run reports that don't tell you anything actionable. GHL's reputation module handles review requests and responses, but it can't tell you why the competitor 3 blocks away is sitting in position 1. It also doesn't diagnose categories, which is the single biggest ranking signal most profiles are missing. It doesn't compare profiles, it doesn't read signals. You pay $300 a month and the research layer is still entirely on you. The tools pushed hardest in most agency programs, honestly, tend to have the biggest payout structures attached. That's just worth knowing. I was working out of my brother's garage when I started. No clients, no budget, nothing to spend on software before the money came in. Google's NotebookLM removes that barrier entirely. It gives you the research layer no paid tool has ever actually delivered, and it costs nothing. What I'm calling this is the ranking signal blueprint. You use NotebookLM to ingest competitor Google business profile data, extract the signals Google is already rewarding in that specific local market, and produce a strategy document a client can act on. What makes it work is the source structure. You're not asking a general AI for advice. You're giving NotebookLM real competitor data and asking it to do the comparison work. Zero cost. The output looks like something a local SEO firm billed hours to produce. Here's how the build works. Create a new notebook inside NotebookLM. Pull your client's top 3 map pack competitors. Go to their Google business profiles and copy their business descriptions, listed services, and category selections. Paste all of it as sources inside the notebook. Then do the same for your client's profile. 4 sources in one notebook. Everything Google is evaluating for these businesses, all in one place. Here's where it gets interesting. Query NotebookLM to compare those 3 ranking profiles against your client and flag every missing element. Category selections, service terms, keyword patterns in reviews. Anything 2 or more top profiles share that your client's listing doesn't. That output is your ranking gap analysis. That's the foundation of everything you're going to charge for. Then run a second query generating 10 GBP posts built around the keyword clusters those competitors are ranking on. It pulls from your source data, not templates. Real competitor signal turned into client-ready content. Those posts are the first deliverable you hand a client in week 1. Most of them have never had a content calendar built from actual competitor data before. A subscriber ran this workflow on a landscaping company that had been invisible in the map pack for 11 months. They loaded 4 competitor profiles into NotebookLM, ran the gap analysis, and found 1 category selection showing up in all 3 top competitors that the client wasn't using. They applied it, ran 2 weeks of the generated post content, and the client appeared in the local 3-pack inside a month. No paid tools, zero overhead, that's the system working. Most people stop right there. Here's what happens when you take it one step further. After the gap analysis and the post content, run a third query asking NotebookLM to produce a citation gap list. Have it compare service terms and category language across all 4 profiles, then flag every place the client should appear online but doesn't. That list is a citation building roadmap, a professional deliverable handed over on day 1. 20 minutes of work. The paid platforms try to automate citation building and still miss half of what this surfaces. Taking that raw gap list and sending it to the client as is though, that's where most people undermine the whole thing. It reads like a chatbot printout. There's a formatting step that turns this output into something that looks like a proper audit from a local SEO firm. I'm walking you through it in 60 seconds. Let's put real numbers on this. Google Maps Rankings runs as a $400 to $600 monthly retainer. You're managing the profile, building citations, running the content calendar. With NotebookLM handling the research, you can run 4 or 5 clients without expanding. Actually, that number undersells it a little. The real story is the margin. No platform taking a slice before you've made anything. Here's a profit-proof scenario. An auto repair shop is invisible in the 3-pack for their main service keyword. You build the four-source notebook in 20 minutes. The gap analysis surfaces something specific. Every top competitor has both a primary service category and a seasonal promotion category active. Your client has neither. You update both, generate 3 weeks of GBP posts from NotebookLM, and deliver a 14-item citation list. That's a $350 setup fee. You hand over a formatted audit document at the end of week 1. The client has never seen that level of output from any agency. That document is what closes the retainer. Here's that formatting step I mentioned. After your NotebookLM output, structure the gap analysis into 3 sections: what the top competitors are doing, what the client is missing, and the 30-day priority list. 3 sections. That format is what makes a client sign a retainer instead of saying they'll think about it. Local SEO is a natural extension of this same workflow. A restaurant, a dentist, a plumber, they all have citation gaps quietly costing them map pack positions. You surface those gaps in the audit, then charge a monthly fee to build them out one by one. That's a standing deliverable with a clear progress metric. The client can see the gap list getting shorter. That visibility is what keeps them paying. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now, that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Picture this: a freelancer, no SEO background, no prior clients, picks up a local veterinary practice. The client wants into the local 3-pack. They build the 4-source notebook in 15 minutes and run the gap analysis. The notebook surfaces something immediately. The top 3 competitors all list house call appointments as a service category, and the vet's profile doesn't have it listed at all. 3 missing category selections total. A review keyword pattern showing up in every top competitor. A citation list with 19 gaps. They format it into the 3-section audit document and walk the client through it on a call. $400 a month. Retainer signed on the spot. 6 weeks later, the practice moves into the local 3-pack. A second referral comes in 2 weeks after that. The vet passed their name to a dental practice down the street with the same problem. The whole system ran on a free tool. That's the solo operator's advantage in practice. Okay, I told you, at the start, there was something specific I was saving. Here it is. The query most people run is too broad. They ask for gaps and get a paragraph. The structure that actually produces a usable roadmap is this. Ask NotebookLM to list every signal appearing in at least 2 top profiles but missing from the client. Then ask it to sort those by frequency, highest first. That sorting step is what almost nobody runs. That's what tells you what to fix in week 1 versus what to address in month 3. The top of that list is your priority action sequence. The bottom is your long-term citation roadmap. 2 lists, 1 query. The clients who see that sorted output inside the audit document, where you can show them their competitors beat them on 3 specific signals, and here's what you're fixing first. Those clients renew without being asked. Imagine running this for 3 local businesses over the next 30 days. Every competitor already mapped, every gap already sorted and prioritized, every content calendar already built before the first call. You show up with a strategy, not a guess. You're not reacting to what clients ask for. You're leading the work with data. That's a different relationship entirely, and it's what keeps retainers going month after month. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. The free training covers landing the clients. This video covered the delivery. Put them together and you've got a real service business. Now go build it.